Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to design a section in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to sites.google.com, then click on the website that you want to design its section. And for this tutorial, I will apply my tutorial on this section on this menu page. Okay, select the section first like that, and next to it you will see this section colors icon. Click on it and you can start seeing those style options that you can use. Of course, you can change your whole website theme from this themes page like this. You can keep selecting colors from here, and this is as simple. Let's go with this level. Now this is the new design. You can, of course, you can add a background image for this section by going to image. Then you can either upload it from your computer. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Background image for this section. By going to image, then you can either upload it from your computer or select one from this gallery. Let's go with this gallery photo. Select the photo like that and click on insert. And just like that, the section background image is changed. You can adjust for readability from here. And of course, don't forget to hit this publish button. Let's view my website live. Go to menu, and this is the new section design. And this is how to design a section in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.